Woo! Man, today was a crazy day for me. I started green, then I went into the red. I was in the red all day until after hours. After hours. I'm gonna break this down for y'all. But this your boy DCPRT. This is day 3 of the small account challenge. You know, I started off with $2,000, and I'm gonna see where this accounts take me. So tomorrow my account should show $3,600. I paid $26 in short fees. I'll post it right here. But that's what I paid for shorts. And man, today was crazy, man. Out the gate, you know, I'm up $430. All day I was red, because I got red on a couple stocks. And then after hours, I got myself back in the green with a massive trade, man. Crazy. Let's get into it though. I've been trading for like 6-7 years, and I think today, not dollar amount, because I made way more money. You know, the most I ever made in a day was 37,000. But today was crazy. That's all I gotta say, man. A day I will remember. But I traded, as y'all can see, man. I was trying to make my money back. That's why I got in all these stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. 4 stocks. First stock I traded was VYGR. I seen this thing spiking, right? And then pre-market came, and then, you know, I seen it like going down. So I started shorting it at 890, and then I shorted it at 894 because it wasn't bouncing. I figured it was just gonna fade off, and that's what it did. It faded all day. When the market opened, you know, I took my quick gain, boom, 868, covered right there, and then that was it, man. Basically, as y'all can see, that what made me go short. It was just trending down, you know what I'm saying, and it gave back all its gains, man. Like it gapped up and it gave back all the gains. That's crazy. But I made $430 on that one trade right there, and then my next trade is I think CVAC, fucking grinder. You know, I got grinded up on this stock, man. You know, I think this is, you know, this stock right here is where I lost a lot on. As y'all can see, going long, I lost $867, but made some back going short. But basically just in and out this stock, man, trying to nail the move like I did on NUWE. I'm gonna show y'all that. I thought this stock was gonna be like NUWE, so I was trying to nail it. And you know, I did nail it on the first trade. Got in long at 1064, sold it at 1103. That was a nice ass trade right there. So I'm up good. And then it came down, and I was just getting in long, just trying to nail the spike again. It came down, I lost. Came back up, I went long again. It came down, I lost. So every time it spiked big, it dropped big. Spike big, drop big. But what I was thinking it was gonna hold up and squeeze more. I thought it was gonna squeeze, but I just kept getting dumped on. So, you know, I was just losing. After that win right here, I was just losing, right? And then I seen it looking weak. I said, let me flip short. So I flipped short at 1057, and then 1045, and then it crashed down to 1025, and I covered and made $300 there. And then all this sideways action right here, I figured we were gonna do this shit right here, grind up. This is what I wanted to do, but it never did it, you know. So I was just getting chopped up right here, and then eventually, you know, I lost 867 going long overall, but I made $300 going short on it. And then in the middle of this stock right here, I had seen ABTR. So I seen this big run up right here, right? I thought this thing gonna keep squeezing, right? You know, so I went long off this dip, and then it bounced and went long. It came up a little bit, but it ended up dumping, man. I ended up adding right here, thinking it was gonna hold up and continue up, but it didn't. It just kept dumping. So I had to get out, man. I took a loss, got out at 20.97. Came my way down, it bounced. I went short because I figured it wasn't gonna go back up to the high, so I went short at 20.92 and covered at 20.85 for a small gain. So going short on this stock and then going long, I lost $330, right? So I was down overall before I made the NUWE trade. I was down $480, right? After all this, right? So I said, man, I can't go out like this. I just can't go out like this. You know what I'm saying? I can't go out like this. Cause I said today's supposed to be a green day, man. But I'm not gonna force it though. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna force it. Damn, this stock went to $13. That's crazy. But anyways, this stock will be explained in my I'm gonna have a video called How to Be a Manipulator. Basically seeing like price action patterns and stuff like that are like kind of manipulated in a way, and you can take advantage of that, like how I did this right here on NUWE. I made $866 and I only traded 500 shares, man. So as y'all can see, man, I was in CVAC while this stock spiked right here. This is a signal right here. When you see this, when you see a stock not doing nothing, and then out of nowhere you see this big ass spike in volume coming in, 9 times out of 10 this stock gonna do what it is. It's gonna keep going up. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna break it down more in that separate video. But so I was watching it. You know what I'm saying? I missed out on this move right here because I was in the other stock. But when they dipped down, I got out CVAC, just to the L, right? Because I wanted to focus on this stock. It was close to the highs when the market closed, right? I said, let me go ahead and get in because this thing is probably going to squeeze pre-market. And that's exactly what it did. So where this arrow's at, that's where the market closed, right? I got in at 9:30 and it just squeezed, man. So I got out at 11:03. So almost $2 a share I made right there on that trade, man. That was a great trade right here. Like, great trade. Like, I got in and I just rolled this thing all the way up, man. It squeezed all the way up and I got out. And it ended up going to $13, man. It's crazy. But this saved my day. You know what I'm saying? So I took the profit and I end up finishing up $446. So good day coming back. You know, gonna continue to grow this account. This is day 3 of the small account challenge. And that's it for the trades, man. Crazy day today. If you got any questions for me, just drop it in the comment section. And I'll get to you. But we're gonna keep making this money. My website will be back up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not taking new people right now, but I will be soon when I bring the website back out. Cause I had got into other things and I didn't have time, but now I do. So soon I'm gonna start bringing more people in, and so just stay tuned and let's continue this small account challenge. I'm out of here. Peace.